Okay, fine. So starting with the today's topic, that is write down the units of equilibrium constant Kc or Kp. Units of equilibrium constant Kc or Kp. Write down the units of the equilibrium constant. Units of equilibrium constant depends upon units of equilibrium constant depends upon expression and coefficient of equilibrium constant. Depends upon expression and coefficient of the reaction. Depends upon the expression. Expression means whether I am expressing this in terms of the Kp or Kc, or right, whether I express it in terms of Kc or Kp. Another point is coefficient. Coefficient here you can say 1, 3, 2. This all depend upon the expression now. Right. So first I express my equilibrium constant in terms of Kc. Can anybody tell me the value, the expression for the Kc? Then turn your mic.
सर केसी के लिए पहले प्रोडक्ट का हम लिख देंगे एक्टिव मास रेज टू पावर 2, उसके बाद नीचे लिख देंगे नाइट्रोजन गैस रेज टू पावर 1 और हाइड्रोजन गैस रेज टू पावर 3.
Okay, fine. And now Sharanjot, turn the mic and let me know your Kp value. Sharanjot, turn on your mic. Gurpriya, you do it. Gurpriya.
So P NH3 raised to power 2
Hmm.
upon PN2
Hmm.
multiplied by PH2 raised to the power 3.
Okay, fine. So I have these two expressions, right? Harjot, turn on your mic and tell me this concentration, right? What is the unit of the concentration we can use here?
Some mole per liter.
Very good. So it is a moles per liter to the power 2. Moles per liter. Not the moles per liter per 3. Now if you solve this, what value you get here?
Some mole
Liter square mole to the power minus 2. Got it? Okay, what is the unit of the unit of the pressure?
So Pascal.
Okay, we can use the Pascal here. Pascal to the power 2. Pascal.
Pascal to the power raised to power 3.
Minus 2.
Pascal.
So you can see the unit of the equilibrium constant is this or this, right? It depends upon whether you are expressing it in terms of the Kc, Kp or in terms of, right? Getting me? You got it? The unit of the Kp or Kc expression पर depend करते हैं. And number 2, अगर हम इसका coefficient change कर दें, let it be I'm making it for 1 mole of nitrogen, half mole of nitrogen, 3/2 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of ammonia. 1 mole of ammonia. Now I express this in terms of the Kc. Now it is ammonia to the power 1 or N2 to the power 1/2. Right? Now put the values of the concentration term here. Moles per liter. Then moles per liter to the power 1/2. Moles per liter to the power 3/2. So mole inverse liter. So you can see the coefficient affects the equilibrium constant value. This affects the equilibrium constant value. Getting me, everyone? Okay. Now for this equation I am writing for the Kp, that is the pressure of ammonia upon pressure of nitrogen to the power 1/2, pressure of hydrogen to the power 3/2. Right? So it is now Pascal to the power 1, Pascal to the power 1 by 2, Pascal to the power 3 by 2. So resultant is Pascal to the power minus 1. So the Kp value, Kp unit is now also changing with the coefficient. So that is why I told you that the unit of the equilibrium constant depends upon the coefficient value. Now write down the question, everyone. At equilibrium, the concentration of nitrogen and hydrogen, and O2, concentration of nitrogen, oxygen and NO in a sealed vessel at 800 Kelvin are, these values are given to you. Calculate the equilibrium constant for this reaction N2 plus O2 to give 2NO. Work upon this and let me know the answer.
So 0.49 mole per liter.
Nathan, repeat please. Show it in the group. Send it in the group if possible. Otherwise, just let me know the value. Nimar, Varshit, no Nathan, there's something wrong.
0.19.
No. Too much difference is there actually. There may be some error in your representation. आपने शरणजीत बताइए मेरे को कि इसका केसी का एक्सप्रेशन क्या लिखा है आपने?
2.5.
No. I'm not concerned about the value. आपने एक्सप्रेशन क्या लिखा है? वो लिखा नहीं होगा, बिना उसके काम कर रहे होंगे.
NO raised to power 2. N2 O2.
Okay. So अब वैल्यू पुट करेंगे यहाँ पर. कितना वैल्यू पुट किया यहाँ पर NO के लिए?
2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3.
2.5 दिया मैंने यहाँ पर.
2.
2.5. Okay.
Minus 3.
2.5 10 to the power minus 3 to the power 2 upon
Yes. 4.2.
4.2. N2 के लिए 4.2 दिया मैंने.
Yes. मिस O की दी है सर.
हाँ. N2 के लिए मैंने 3.0 दिया हुआ है. O2 के लिए इतना दिया है. So 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 and now 4.2 into 10 to the minus 3. इसका कैलकुलेट करके वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है? Whatever the value comes, that is the value of the Kc. Sanveer, Nimar, are you getting this?
0.49.
Sir, 0.496.
चलिए ठीक है 0.49 ठीक है नितिन it's okay but now you got it how to do it right. Have we discussed this topic? Homogeneous and heterogeneous equilibrium?
No, sir.
No. So write down here types of equilibrium based on the physical state of the reactants and products. There are two types. One is the homogeneous, other is the heterogeneous. We say homogeneous equilibrium if both the reactants and products are in the same physical state. It may be liquid or gas or aqueous solution. They are called as a homogeneous mixture. The chemical equilibrium in which both reactants and products are both in the same physical state, they are the equilibrium that is called as a homogeneous equilibrium. For example, you can see H2 gas, I2 gas and HI gas. All the reactant and products are in the same phase. All the reactants and products are in the same phase. HI decomposing to give I2 plus H2. This is in the state of equilibrium, having same phase. O2, NO2 and N2O4. Same phase, they are in the gaseous phase. Please note down all these examples that they are in the same phase. So we call them as a homogeneous equilibrium. This ester hydrolysis to give acid and alcohol, liquid, liquid or liquid. So if the physical state of the reactants and products are same, it is called as a homogeneous equilibrium. Now, aqueous, ferric ion, thiocyanidine and ferric thiocyanidine. This is the same phase, they all in aqueous medium. They should have a 2 positive charge. If the physical state of the reactants and products are same, it is called homogeneous equilibrium. Now talking about the heterogeneous equilibrium, if the physical state of reactant and products are not in the same phase, they are different physical state, then we call it is a heterogeneous equilibrium. Now you can see calcium carbonate is solid here and the product I have a gaseous carbon dioxide. So we call it, this is a heterogeneous equilibrium. If the physical state is not matching, is not same. You can see in this reaction iron is solid here and carbon and hydrogen is a gas here. So this is an example of a heterogeneous equilibrium. If the physical state is not matching here, see this one, ammonium hydrogen sulfide with ammonia and H2S, they are in the same physical state, different physical state. If the physical states are different,
सर थर्ड का क्या बताया?
zinc is solid, copper sulfate is aqueous, zinc sulfate aqueous, copper solid. You can see the physical state are different. If the physical state are different, then the equilibrium is called as a heterogeneous equilibrium.
और सर यूनिटी कौन सा लेंगे इसमें?
Okay, I am not writing the equilibrium constant. Unity अगर लेंगे equilibrium constant लिखने के लिए solid concentration will be taken as a 1. And for that I will write here equilibrium.
नॉर्मल लिख देंगे.
Yes. Equilibrium constant is equal to the zinc sulfate aqueous solution and copper sulfate aqueous solution. Now, are you ready for a small test? Just a quiz. Are you ready? Write in the chat.
ठीक है सर.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following is an example of a homogeneous equilibrium? It can be more than one also.
So first,
First, second,
third and fourth.
yeah, first, second, third, fourth. All of these are there.
हाँ.
Yeah, we are given all the example in the homogeneous equilibrium. Which of the following is a heterogeneous equilibrium? Heterogeneous.
सर थर्ड है और शायद फोर्थ.
First and yeah,
Second was also there. All of these are there.
all of them.
N2 और सर O4 में
N2O4 is solid and NO2 is a gas.
ठीक है.
When it decompose it, it will give you NO2 and this is a gas here. Now, mathematical approach to find the value of the equilibrium constant. Now, ये मैं आपको अभी एक्सप्लेन करूंगा हाउ टू फाइंड द इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट वैल्यू. सी नाउ, I am saying let my reaction is this one. nitrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen react with 3 moles of hydrogen to give 2 moles of ammonia. Initial number of moles which are given to me, let it be A and B mole, ammonia is 0. Initial means when reaction has not started. And at equilibrium, when equilibrium has started, out of the A, some X has got reacted. पूरा तो react नहीं करेगा, something will remain unreacted because reaction in the state of equilibrium. So can you tell me how much will be reacting from the B? How much should I subtract from B? 1 mole of nitrogen react with 3 moles of hydrogen. So if I am reacting here X mole, so 3 moles of hydrogen will be reacting, 3x will be reacting. Getting me this one?
Yes, sir.
So if 1 mole of nitrogen disappear, 2 mole of ammonia will be formed. So X and now it is a 2x. Right? All these are in some volume V. They are all contained in volume V. So I will say the concentration is equal to A minus X upon V, B minus 3x upon V, and 2x upon V. A minus X upon V, B minus 3x upon V, and 2x upon V. Am I clear? Everyone getting me? Yes or no?
Yes,
सर
sir.
at equilibrium
Yes,
जो
sir.
लिखा है सर वो एक बार फिर से.
इस स्टेप को समझना है अब आपने. This is very very important step. 1 mole of nitrogen react with 3 moles of hydrogen. It means if out of the A, X mole is reacting, the hydrogen will be reacting will be 3x. 1 mole react with 3 moles, so X mole react with 3x. So A minus X and now it is B minus 3x.
और
Is
सर
this-
माइनस क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Okay, माइनस क्यों कर रहे हैं? सब कुछ हटाते हैं फिर थोड़े समय के लिए. जब रिएक्शन होता है, रिएक्टेंट का अमाउंट कम होता है या बढ़ता है?
कम होता है.
कम होता है. तो ए में से कुछ माइनस करूंगा एक्स या प्लस करूंगा?
माइनस करेंगे.
माइनस करेंगे. और बी में से कुछ अमाउंट हाइड्रोजन का कम हो जाएगा या बन जाएगा?
इधर भी कम होगा.
कम होगा. कितना कम होगा?
3x.
3x. इसलिए माइनस कर रहे थे हम. अब अमोनिया यहां बनेगा. कितना बनेगा? डबल ऑफ द नाइट्रोजन डिकम्पोज्ड. जितना नंबर ऑफ मोल नाइट्रोजन के कम हो रहे हैं उसके डबल नंबर ऑफ अमोनिया के बन रहे हैं. सी हियर 1 मोल इट इज 2 मोल. सो अगर x यहां पर डिसअपियर हो रहा है दैट विल बी नॉट 2x. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
So divide by the volume now, total volume, right? And now write the equilibrium constant value. Ammonia to the power 2 upon N2 into H to power 3. This is 2x upon V in the numerator to the power 2, A minus x upon V and B minus 3x upon V to the power 3. फोर एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए माइनस एक्स बी माइनस 3x to the power 3. ऊपर आ गया वी स्क्वायर, नीचे आ गया वी टू पावर 2 4. सो दिस इज नॉट क्लियर. हाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट? Say step by step process. So a minus x and b minus 3x. Is this point clear now? If I divide by the volume, I'll get the concentration. Now, I'll give you one numerical based upon this. Please write down my question. The equation is given this one. Write down the equation here. And here I'm giving you 3 moles and 5 moles initial number of moles are contained in a volume of 5 liters, are contained in a volume of 5 liters, are in a container of 5 liters, right? So at the stage of equilibrium I am just giving you that 25% of nitrogen has got reacted, remaining is still there. What is the equilibrium constant? Find the Kc value. Getting me? Harjot, Namya? My question is now 3 moles of nitrogen and 5 moles of hydrogen are placed in or are contained in a volume of 5 liters, and at the stage of equilibrium I have 25% of the nitrogen. Find the value of the Kc value. Find the value of Kc. So what we'll find here at equilibrium, 23 minus 25% of 3 will react. It means the remaining amount will be now 3 minus 0.75, and that is equal to now 2.25. Is that clear? This much number of moles are left after the reaction has gone to the state of equilibrium. Am I clear? Nimar?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So 5 minus, it should be now how much? 3 into 0.75. You got it? How I am doing it like this? Because 1 mole react to the 3 moles, so this much number of moles will react with 3 into this much. So 5 minus 2.25, or I can say it is 2.75 will be the remaining amount of the hydrogen now. Am I clear? Now it will be now 2x, means x is now 0.75, so 2 into 0.75, that is the 1.5 mole of ammonia will be formed here. At the stage of equilibrium, I have now 2.25 mole of nitrogen and 2.75 mole of hydrogen and 1.5 mole of ammonia. Is this calculation clear? Because this is the only chemistry that we have to use. After that, that calculation will be very, very easy. Only mathematics will remain. Yes? Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
No. Now find the concentration. Number of moles upon volume. 2.25 divided by the volume is equal to 5 liters. 2.75 divided by the volume is 5 liters, and 1.5 divided by the 5 liters. That's what you get the concentration. And now if you
सर,
put,
एक बार ऊपर करना,
yes, let me know.
एक बार स्क्रॉल करना ऊपर.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. See, this is very, very important part of this chapter. If you are stuck here, you will lose one numerical question of 3 marks.
सर ये जो नाइट 2NH3 लिखा है आपने, ये 2 into 1.5 है.
0.75. Why 2 into 0.75? Because I told you, अगर यहाँ से x decomposed at the 3x here and at the 2x here, and x value is coming out to be now 0.75.
ठीक है सर.
I hope it's all clear. So now you write the value of the equilibrium constant here, ammonia to the power 2, and now it is an N2, and now H to the power 3. So Kc is equal to, now put all the values of this concentration that we have derived. This is this all into this, you will get the value of the equilibrium constant. Am I clear, everyone? So I'm now changing the equation. All of you see here, sulfur dioxide plus half mole of oxygen in equilibrium with the sulfur trioxide. Now gas and gas. Right. Initial number of moles are, let it be A and B. Now can you tell me what should be the dissociation at the stage of equilibrium? A minus what? B minus what? Can you do something here?
सर अगर हाफ O2 को अगर x मान ले तो
हाँ.
SO2 को हम
2x मान लेंगे.
2x मान सकते हैं.
Yes, that make my calculation easy here. The ratio is 1:2 here. Okay, then what about my SO3? How much it will be?
2x.
Very good. And now the concentration will be A minus 2x upon V, B minus x upon V, and now it is 2x upon V. Got it now? Now the equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant is now SO3 to the power 1 and SO2 and then O to the power 1 by 2. Now it is 2x upon V. It is A minus 2x upon V to the power 1 and B minus x upon V to the power 1 by 2. So you can put here all this and you can solve it. Right? न्यूमेरिकल, फॉर द न्यूमेरिकल पर्पस व्हाट विल बी गिवन टू यू कि x का वैल्यू कितना है, कितना अमाउंट x का रेट कर चुका है, a का रेट कर चुका है या फिर सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड बन चुका है, यू विल बी गिवन द वैल्यू ऑफ द x, rest all you have to solve it. And now you can see the expression is coming out to be different here. Expression is coming out to be different here. Now can you solve it for the another one? Let it be this one. 2 mole of N2O5 in equilibrium 4 moles of NO2 plus O2, all in the gaseous phase. Initially, okay, now let me know. अगर A moles है यहाँ पर, ये 0 है. Now tell me at equilibrium. गुरप्रिया, A minus what? अंगद,
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
X.
2x करना चाहते हो, चले ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, नाउ
ये सर 4x हो जाएगा
4x हो जाएगा और ये
और अगला x.
x बाय x हो जाएगा. गुड. नाउ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन विल बी a minus x
Right
upon
by
v.
volume.
Yes, perfect. So x by volume v, right? And now you can find out the equilibrium constant Kc. You can do or not?
हो जाएगा सर.
हो जाएगा.